Bobby? Okay. Are you ready? Let's touch our shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's bend our elbows in. Can you touch your elbows?
I can't.
You bend it. There we go. Good job. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Can you blink your eyes? Go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Okay, are you ready to sing? Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Good morning, number 1. Our day has just begun. Good morning, number 2. Good morning to you. Good morning, number 3. Be happy as can be. Say cheese. Good morning, number 4. And then we go one more. Good morning, number 5. It's good to be alive. Good morning, everyone. Let's learn and have some fun. Yay! Where are you going? It's a nicey.
And you know what this is?
Okay, yes, that's for art today. Alright, so can you tell me what day is it
And what
today?
color is this?
What day is it? Yesterday was
Let's see.
Tuesday. Okay, let's go. Monday, Tuesday,
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Yes, can I have Wednesday, Aves? Today is Wednesday. Yes, we're in the middle of the week. Wednesday.
No, Mommy. You what?
Yeah, but we need Wednesday because today is Wednesday.
Then
All right, and it is the 10th of June, which means we're nearly in the middle of June as well. Sure, these months are going so quickly, hey?
Yes.
All right, now, can you remember what month we are in?
Let's start.
What month are we in, Ava?
And take caps on.
Okay, what month?
12.
No, not how many. What month? What month are we in?
Let's think.
Think.
Give us a little peek.
June.
Tuesday.
No, June. That's a day of the week. We are in June. Can you all say June?
June.
Okay, now you answered the question already. How many months are there in a year?
June.
Listen to the question, Bobby. Listen carefully. How many months are there in a year?
Let's think I think.
Thinking, Kapsan. How many months? You can... How many months? 12. Well done. There are 12 months in 1 year. Okay, can we sing the months? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December are our months. There are 12 months in 1 year, and we are now in month 6. We are halfway through the year.
Wow.
Are you a bird? Okay, well that's a good thing because today we are going to build our own bird's nest. Because remember, okay, sit still. Because remember in spring, Auntie Jay told you, the birds build their nests and they lay their eggs so that they can have their new babies. So we are going to build our own bird's nest, okay? All right, so we're going to quickly go outside and go and collect all our small thin sticks and some thin leaves. You're going to need to get a bowl, like what I've done here. I've put wax paper inside the bowl because we're going to use glue to make our bird's nest. Okay, so we're going to be back. We're going to go and collect all our stuff. Okay, whew, that was lots of running. here is all our stuff. You can see we bought little sticks and we found some leaves. Whoa, that's a big stick. We're gonna have to break that one up. It's okay, you can break it up. Remember, they must be thin sticks. Another thing you can use is spaghetti. If you don't have any sticks at home, then you can use your spaghetti. You can break it into small pieces. Jay will show you a bit later, with just some glue and some colored paint, and you can make it into the bowl. The same thing, let it dry, and then you've got your bird's nest. But we'll show you that one later. We're going to start with our wooden nests. Okay, so you're going to need to have your sticks. You're going to need to have your bowl with your wax paper because we are using glue. And you're going to have another little bowl tray that you can put your glue in, that you can dunk your stick and then put it in. Okay. Remember, you want to put wax paper down so that the sticks don't stick to the container that you're putting it in. Alright, so you can take it out easily when it's dry. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, I'm just going to start with one so that they can see as well. Okay, you're going to get some sticks, some small sticks. Make sure that they fit into your bowl, so if you need to cut them up. So you're going to start by doing a shape around your bowl. So you're going to start by doing that all the way around your bowl. So if I break that one in half, you'll see. So you're going to start, that will be your base. And then you'll slowly go around and round and round and round and round until you've made a nest. Okay, so let me start and then you can see. So you're just going to dunk it in and then put it down.
And it's like this small.
Yeah, it's just like that small. Wait, Bubba, you got to put it down in an order. Wait. You also got some. I promise you guys are going to do yours now. I just want to show everybody so that they can see what they're meant to be doing. Okay. So just dunk it in there.
Mommy, do it.
Okay, hang on. Let's put some of this one in now. Because remember, the birds go and they find everything that they can find in the garden to make their nests.
Mommy,
Okay, wait, Bubby. Let me just show them upside down. And then we can carry on and you guys can watch. Okay, so
It's this big.
can you see? I'm going to change the angle and you can see. There you can see we're just going to keep going around and around and change the pattern so that it becomes more of a circle. So you've got your glue and there, and you're just going to keep sticking. Okay. Okay, so we're still full of glue from our nests, which are outside drying. They do take a little while to dry.
Because I haven't washed my hands.
You washed your hands. So we're now going to show you the spaghetti one. So you need to have your spaghetti and you need to break it into a little bit. Okay, so we've done the nature one outside. So now, if you've got spaghetti at your house, you can try this one. Same thing again. Get your bowl with your wax paper inside. Okay, and your other bowl with your little pieces of spaghetti that's all broken up. So this resembles the sticks that the birdies use to make their nests. Okay, what I've got a little bit of brown paint so that it looks more realistic. So we're just going to shove some, just step it up there, some brown paint on top there. If you don't have brown, you can use green and red. That makes brown. And you need some glue so it all sticks together. Okay. Right, so now we're just going to take our little paintbrush and we're just going to mushy it all together until it becomes quite sticky. Okay, remember once you put this in your one bowl, There you can see I'm getting a bit mushed up together.
Yeah.
Okay, so once it's all mixed, you now look like you've got a whole pile of sticks. Now you're going to take it and you're going to start placing it with your fingers into your other one with your wax paper. So you can just throw it all in. You're going to have to use your fingers and get your fingers a little bit dirty. Okay, I'll show you. The girls don't want to do it. And just fold your spaghetti so that it goes around the bowl. And remember, you need to have a place in the middle for your eggies to sit. So fold your spaghetti. Hang on, girls. I can't do it if you're on top. Okay, so I just want to see what I'm doing.
I'm not going to paint because I'm going to eat them.
You're going to eat some?
They're not with the paint on.
You can't eat spaghetti with paint on, no.
That's why I said, why? Don't put the paint on it.
Okay, you can have spaghetti for lunch.
Even raw and cooked.
Okay.
Raw and cooked.
Alright, so there inside you can see is our nest. It's been pushed all to the side. Same thing again, you're going to go and let it dry outside. It is going to take a little while to dry. Once it's dry, you can peel it away. That's why we use the wax paper. Okay, I'm going to go and put this outside in the sun. But luckily, it's a nice sunny day, hey? And then we will be back. Okay, did you all enjoy making your bird's nests today?
Yeah.
That's good. Now remember, you can go further. You can go and find some stones and you can paint them to make pretty eggs. Okay? You can paint your stones, or you can use your fluffy balls that you used yesterday to paint the caterpillars. You still got those. You can paint them, or you can just put them in your nest as little baby birds. Okay, so you can do anything you like. Obviously, our nests are not dry yet to show you, but maybe tomorrow when they're dry, we can take them out, or even later, Auntie Jay can come and check, and I can send another little clip to Mum and Dad on the group showing you your dry bird's nests. Okay, have a lovely day. We will see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.